We're starting this project inside Photoshop with a clear design objective. The goal is to build a business-ready visual using a professional workflow, keeping accuracy and consistency as the priority. A social media post must grab attention quickly while maintaining brand integrity. Gradient presets are applied to provide visual depth and a professional feel. Using pre-built gradients ensures the post remains consistent across multiple platforms, an essential requirement for businesses targeting international audiences in the US, UK, and Canada. Color balance is refined by reviewing each RGB channel to maintain brand alignment. Warm tones are subtle for emphasis, cool tones reinforce trust, and